I worked for the first time today. Look, tomato sauce the honey. Cause me almost dropping people in pizza. Hi friends, my name is Tamara and this is my channel. If you're new, thank you for coming. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Oh my god. Why am I all zipped up? Anyways, I just want to say shout out to all the girlies all the girlies who do the whole makeup situation to make them face look pretty, cause boy that's not my lane. Oh my god, I went to a kids party today, a catered one, and I just wanted to do a little something to hide my blemishes and my dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Oh my god, you know how long it took me to look half decent? And never mind, oh, my eyebrows are like distant cousins, because they're not twinning and they're not sisters, they're far apart. Props to all of y'all who do makeup, cause it was a task for me. It was a task. And wow, it's a lot. It was a lot. It was a lot. Anyways, I decided to wear my dunks that was gifted to me. Them look nice, but then tough. Then tough and they're at your foot. But then pretty. And I always wonder, and to the sneakerheads too, how you guys don't wanna get it creased and you walk cautious and you do all the things to make it look new all the time. And of course it's creased, and I don't care, because that's what you have shoes for, right? To wear. And if it creased, then too bad. What's the point of not wearing it? I wasn't cautious, particular in the way I walk. I bend, I stoop, I did all the things. So right now we bend up and mark up and big deal. That's not my thing. It's not my lane. Makeup is not my lane. Styling is not my lane. It was a lot. It was a lot. If you reached this far and you hadn't subscribed, please subscribe. Tell all your friends. Tell your mom and them. Tell your mom and them. Tell everybody. Subscription is free. You don't have to pay. I just need a little bit of your time. You could watch this video when you're doing laundry, doing your dishes, putting your makeup on, or just have it going in the background. Just help me out, you know? Help your sister out, because sister struggle. So today, I'm going to be making, what am I going to be making? Corned beef hash. Stay tuned, don't tune out. See you in the next. Me pretending like I don't know what I'm gonna make today. No, I'm not. I know I'm playing. I'm playing. So today I'm going to be making a corned beef hash. Oh my god, my lips are so dry. Anyways, so I have a piece of corned beef that I got from work. I'm gonna put shallots instead of onions, only because the shallot is a little sweeter and it's a milder flavor than an onion. It's green, yellow, orange, and red. And the thing is, when I buy ingredients, I mentioned this before, when I buy ingredients or certain ingredients for a certain dish, I try to use up one or two of the ingredients in other dishes. So I try to make something that will call for something I already have, just to use it up. So I bought the whole peppers. I've been using it up in other dishes, and I think this is the final one that I'm gonna use it in. And this is the rest of the peppers. So I have a half of each left, and I'm just pretty much gonna clean them up, slice them up, and freeze them, because we don't waste food over here. Waste not, want not. I'm not gonna peel them. I'm just gonna wash it and cut it, dice it up. And obviously my peppers, my shallot, my corned beef. And for my potatoes, I'm gonna, well, pan fry them / roast them off with some thyme and rosemary, because everybody knows thyme and rosemary are best friend. What? Because everybody knows thyme and rosemary are best friends with potatoes. They go good together. The non-cooks always say chef's kiss. Anyways, let's get into this, because I'm hungry and I need something to eat. So you could always put a piece of wet paper towel on your surface area and put your cutting board on it. That way when you're cutting, it doesn't slide. That's a trick that you could use. So I'm just gonna clean these. So you pretty much want to cut them the same size, because you want everything to cook at the same time. You don't want some crunchy, you don't want some soft. I'm just gonna trim off the fat off the corned beef. So I have my shallots, my peppers, my thyme and rosemary, my roasted garlic, my corned beef, my potatoes. 1 2 1 2. Adding my rosemary and my thyme. I'm gonna be very mindful of the salt, because I'm using corned beef, so we don't want it too salty. A little bit of paprika for color. So I was very mindful of the salt, because it's corned beef and I know it's salty. So I really didn't put any, I shouldn't say any, I didn't put a lot of salt on the potatoes, because I know the corned beef is gonna complement it, you know. Now let's talk about texture and flavor. Corned beef is a little chewy. Avocado is creamy and it's cold. Potatoes are soft. The peppers and onion gives it a little bit of sweetness. Oh my god, I can eat this all day. All day. Oh my god, I cannot. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm really not a fan of sunny side up eggs, but it looks prettier, so that's why I did it. But now I'm gonna have to eat it because I'm not throwing it out. So share, tell your friends, help me to grow. Not me talking with a mouthful. You already know how it is. Thank you for watching. Thank me for cooking. Stay true to yourself. Be kind to everybody. Finish this. You know I'm shoving it in my face, alright?